Firemen hold baby Rumi did. They jump from the burning plane fast. Baby Rumi feels so afraid. Dolphins come to help her now quick. Dolphins lift her from the sea up. She waves goodbye and smiles big. Baby Rumi looks at the plane. Coconut tree is far too tall. She goes inside the forest green. Baby Rumi plays in water. She remembers mom bathed her once. Baby Rumi washes herself. She sleeps beside a warm fire small. Morning comes, she finds some stones there. Baby Rumi builds a help sign. She sits and waits with hope's soft heart. Sunset paints the quiet sky now. Baby Rumi sees a plane near. Rescue team has found the child now. Baby
okay,
Rumi
everything is going to be all right now.
Are you ready to fly?
Baby Rumi smiles by window. Three friends walk to the big clinic. Dr. Gino asks them for payment. Mira pulls out a box of diamonds. Zoe brings cash, but Rumi has none. Rich Mira gets full fancy service. Zoe receives kind, gentle care. Rumi only gets a few tablets. Mira and Zoe enjoy their meal, but Rumi only eats simple bread. Mira and Zoe walk the hallway. A monster doctor suddenly appears. Two girls scream out in pure terror. Two monsters, their teeth moving closer. Poor Rumi charges in with her sword. Both monsters fall down defeated. Poor Rumi is gifted some money. Three friends relax, chatting calmly. Three girls live happily together. Mira steps out, confident, waving to the crowd.
I really appreciate it.
Water,
You're
she
doing
thanks her
fine.
kindly.
You are
The bottle releases a strange misty vapor. Mira drinks it freely without noticing. Mira performs a flawless diving routine. She feels dizzy, her head starts spinning fast. Mira faints and sinks down to the pool floor. Zoe panics, jumps in to search for Mira. Zoe finds her hurt and pulls her ashore. Zoe removes her scarf covering Mira. Rumi feels anxious, drowning in deep guilt. Zoe rushes Mira to the hospital
rest now.
fast.
It
Police
contained
find the
poison.
bottle, poison inside. Rumi is exposed as the one who poisoned it. Rumi faces harsh blame from the public. Truth is
You need to come with us,
revealed.
ma'am. Please
Evil
step into
pays
the vehicle.
price.
You've been arrested. But please know, everything is all right now.
Gino wraps his arms around Rumi. Gino holds Rumi's hand with deep affection. Mira and Abby begin plotting together. Gino and Rumi step onto the stage. The audience applauds with excitement. Gino and Rumi dance with graceful skill. Abby and Mira quietly trigger their plan. Gino and Rumi lose themselves in the rhythm. Abby shuts down the entire power system. The stage suddenly plunges into chaos. Gino shields Rumi from danger. Oh, Gino and Rumi keep dancing through the blackout. The crowd cheers wildly below the stage. Gino and Rumi bow together in gratitude. Abby's criminal evidence is revealed publicly. Abby and Mira are arrested by the police. Her belly moves. Rumi gets flowers from a boy. Mira sees it and grows jealous. Mira gives Rumi a flower bunch. Mira pours wine for Rumi's drink. Rumi passes out, Mira smirks slyly. Mira drags Rumi into the woods. After a while, Rumi wakes confused. Rumi looks around in bewilderment. Mira paints up to look like Rumi. Mira dances ballet on the stage. Mira dances with a charming smile. Crowds cheer loudly from below. Rumi chased by a bear in woods. Gino swings through trees to her. Gino saves Rumi from the bear. They talk happily together now. Gino grills meat for Rumi's meal. Rumi dances under starry night. Gino crafts Rumi a lovely dress. Rumi hugs the dress lovingly. They live joyfully side by side. Gino kisses Rumi passionately. Gino and Rumi laugh together. Rumi brings the wine to Gino. Prince Gino slowly drinks the wine. Gino walks into the room. She gives Rumi one glowing egg. Rumi puts the egg in the case. Mira looks around with sly eyes. Mira smiles with her evil grin. She steals the egg inside the case. Mira puts a fake egg inside. Mother tells Rumi, go get it. Rumi walks out, holding the egg. Mira watches her with dark eyes. Rumi drops the egg on the floor. Mother Gino screams angrily loud. Soldiers drag Rumi out the hall. Gino watches, feeling deep hurt. Rumi cries alone in the cell. Mira laugh, holding the real egg. She sells it, earning lots of gold. Mira buys a beautiful dress. She makes herself pretty and bright. Mother tries calming down her son. Mira walks the bright red carpet. Gino leaves the place upsetly. Gino breaks the prison steel door. He enters and looks at Rumi. He tells Rumi all of his love. They escape out of the palace. Mother Gino screams in madness. Soldiers rush out, hunting for them. They see the egg lying on ground. Mother screams loudly at Mira. Mother finally learns the truth. Zoe gets taken by the guards. Mother gives Rumi the real egg. Rumi and Gino smile brightly.
Sweet Rumi, Rumi skates on ice. Gino and Mira feel so proud. Sweet Rumi, Rumi laughs out loud. Evil Queen Zoe burns with rage. Evil Queen Zoe tricks the skates. Sweet Rumi, Rumi straps her skates. Sweet Rumi, Rumi slips and falls. Sweet Rumi, Rumi feels sharp pain. Gino and Mira worry hard. Miss Queen Mira checks on her. Rescue ambulance speeds in fast. Evil Queen Zoe shows her skills. Evil Queen Zoe wins the match. Miss Queen Mira feels deep rage. Miss Queen Mira trains all day. Miss Queen Mira shows strong skills. Evil Queen Zoe cheats again. Prince Gino catches her red-handed. Evil Queen Zoe shakes in fear. Evil Queen Zoe gets dragged off. Mira and Zoe claim the cup. Sweet Rumi, Rumi smile with joy. Three little babies throwing snow. Three little babies feeling cold. Baby Rumi Abby and Mira laugh at them mockingly. The two pairs stand face to face in tension. Rumi and Mira stare each other down like rivals. Mermaid Rumi dives to pick up trash under the sea. Mermaid Mira also works hard cleaning the ocean. Jinnu swims around to check the area. Abby grabs a bag of trash and swims away. Rumi and Mira are suddenly attacked by a sea monster. The ugly octopus creature charges at them. Abby and Jinnu hear the scream and rush over. They strike with the power of their tridents. A bright light blasts straight into the monster.